Good morning students. Today I am here to explain one of the grammar topics, adverb and its types. Adverb, it is one of the parts of speech. Already I taught. Once again revise it. Adverb and its types. First understand about adverb. Adverb, it is a word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. I repeat, a word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb, that is called an adverb. Now see how. First sentence, she sings beautifully. Here beautifully it is an adverb as it modifies the verb sings. First sentence, she sings beautifully. Here beautifully it is an adverb as it modifies the verb sings. Second sentence, it is a very beautiful song. Here beautiful, it is an adjective. Here beautiful, it is an adjective, and this adjective is modified by the word very. So very, it is an adverb. It is a very beautiful song. In this sentence, beautiful, it is an adjective, and this adjective is modified by a word very. So very, it is an adverb. Third sentence, she sings quite beautifully. Here there are two adverbs. One is here beautifully, that is an adverb that this word modifies the verb sings. But this quite, it modifies the adverb beautifully. So in the last sentence, she sings quite beautifully, there are two adverbs, beautifully and quite. Now see, in the first sentence, beautifully modifies the verb. In the second sentence, very beautifies very, that modifies an adjective beautiful. And in the third sentence, quite, it modifies another adverb, that is beautiful. So that is called an adverb. A word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb, it is called an adverb. Now next, that is types of adverbs. In some grammar books there are only 5 types are given. In some grammar books there are 7 are given. In some grammar books 8 are given. That 8, that is the adverbs of reason or purpose. That 8 in some of the grammar books. First, understand these 5. They are important. First types of adverbs, that is adverbs of manner. How the action is done. How the action is done. If the answer is one word, that is adverb of manner. How the action is done. For example, she sings beautifully. What is the action here? Sings. How she sings? We get answer in one word, that is beautifully. So beautifully, it is adverb of manner. Sorry. Adverb of manner. How the action is done or in what manner the action is done, that is adverb of manner. But remember, it should be indicated by only one word, because a word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb, that is an adverb, a word. So it should be modified by one word. So first, adverb of manner. Second, adverb of time. When the action is done, the answer of this, if it is in one word, then it is adverb of time. For example, now, then, after, before. When they are used as a singular, it means as only one word is used. For example, I am teaching you now. In this sentence, now it shows time of action, so it is adverb of time. Meet me later. That later, it is an adverb. It shows the time, so it is adverb of time. So when we ask question with the verb with when, and if the answer is in one word, it is adverb of time. Sorry. Third, adverb of place. Where the action is done. Where the action is done, and if the answer is one word, then it is adverb of place. Adverb of place, that here, there, everywhere. These are the examples of adverbs of place. Come here. Here it is adverb of place. Go there. There it is adverb of place. He found his keys lying there. There it is adverb of place. He searched everywhere, but he didn't get. Everywhere it is adverb of place. Next comes frequency, adverb of frequency or adverb of number. How many times the action is done, or how often the action is done. The answer is in one word, that is adverb of frequency. For example, he always comes late. He always comes late. How often he comes late? We get answer always. So that always, it is adverb of frequency. He never completes his work. He never completes his work. He completes his work. How often? Never. So this never is adverb of frequency. How many times the action is done? How often the action is done? Answer of this question in one word, that is adverb of frequency or adverb of number. Next comes adverb of degree. Now, at what extent the action is done? At what extent the action is done, or when an adjective or adverb is modified by the word, that word it is adverb of degree. See here, it is a very beautiful song. Here beautiful, it is an adjective and it is modified by the word very. So very, it is an adverb and it is an adverb of degree. It is an adverb of degree because it modifies adjective. At what extent she is beautiful? It is beautiful. We get answer very. So very, it is adverb of degree. Next sentence also. She sings quite beautifully. Here beautifully it is an adverb and it is modified by another adverb, that is quite. So quite, it is adverb of degree. At what extent she sings beautifully? Quite. So that quite, it is adverb of degree. Next, interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are who, what, whom, whose, why and how. These WH question words, they are interrogative adverbs and they are used at the beginning of the sentence. And the last one, certainty. Certainty. Certainty, adverbs of certainty. It means at what, how much we are certain about the action, that is adverb of certainty. He probably gives me response, that probably, that is adverb of certainty. So this is about adverbs and their types. Thank you, students.